Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. So in today's video I am going to be sharing how to do facials at home. I have never done facials in my life, so I am going to be trying to do facials at home for the very first time, sharing my review or my experience of using the Alps Goodness charcoal detoxifying kit, which is basically a facial kit meant for oily combination skin types, which I have. Without any further blabbering, let's get started with the video. I'm gonna be doing my facial for the very first time. Alps Goodness has a lot of variants for different types of skin. Since I have oily acne prone combination skin, I chose the charcoal variant one. I have bought this product a long back, but due to various reasons for which I could not use it. The first was like I was being lazy, and then my skin was going through a lot of things like acne breakouts and everything. So I thought to give my skin a rest. I am against the idea of wasting anything since my skin is now in a good condition, so I thought why not just give it a shot. Hopefully this video is gonna be helpful for you. If this, please show me some love and hit the like button and also subscribe button down there. Since I have oily acne prone skin, I don't do exactly facials at outside. Of course I'm scared of using any product from outside because pata nahi uspe kya hoga, that will infect my skin and lead to a lot more acne breakouts. If you have super oily skin or super sweaty skin, you can even use it in winter because it's not actually pulling out all the moisturization from your skin, but it is providing a good kind of nourishment to your skin while just extracting all the extra sebum production on your skin. So basically it is also a good option for those people who have a very sweaty skin or super duper oily skin. Now my skin type is oily combination skin type and also very acne prone. Sometimes a lot of things happen for which you can't just go to parlors to have your facials and everything, because see, sometimes you don't have time to go to there, sometimes it is the budget, sometimes a lot of other things, like sometimes you are scared like me and you have a problematic skin like me. I didn't use any kind of product on my skin. I just started with the first step of this facial kit process, and then I just followed every step, and at the end, after I am complete, I'm done with the whole facial kit process, I just pat dry my skin and then I applied my regular moisturizer. Okay guys, so this was the after result. Yay! Now since you have seen me using this product, let's just quickly jump into the section where I will talk about my experience or a few facts I have noticed throughout this process or after using this product. So the first pros is that it does not leave your skin dehydrated or rough, or does not give you rough patches here and there. It's a very good product for oily or combination skin, because sometimes what happened, the products that claim to be good for oily and combination skin ends up dehydrating your skin. I have experienced that with a lot of face washes which claims to be good for oily and acne prone skin and combination skin. Later they just dehydrated and dried up my skin a lot. But this product will extract excess oil, the excess sebum production. At the same time, it will give you a kind of moisturization. It won't feel dehydrated or rough after using this. Second pros is that my skin is feeling super duper moisturized but without any oily feeling at all. My skin feels a lot more oil free after I have used this product. Now the third pros. There's kind of inner glow or there's kind of fake glow. It definitely provides a natural inner glow. So the number 4 pros for me is that kind of product they are giving you for the price point that you are paying. It is absolutely phenomenal. MRP here is a 145, but I bought it for 90 or 95 something. Now the fifth point. when you try to do such facial at home kind of process. Sometimes they get messy, especially in terms of DIYs. This product has 5 separate sachets mentioning the product description, how to use this, how to apply this, and the sachets contains the perfect quantity to apply on your skin. Sixth point, the best thing of doing facials at home with such products is that you are getting a lot more hygienic quality of facial at home. Everything you have measured and you just need to just cut it down and apply it. And यार मैंने इतनी तारीफ कर दी that people would start thinking that ये video sponsored है, but this video is not sponsored or no PR. ये मैंने खुद की मनी से खरीदा है. Okay. So let's just quickly jump into the con section, and where I'm going to be talking about the things that I don't like about this product. So the first con is that the scrub. Well, the scrub felt too much harsh for my skin. It had big rough particles, which I'm not going to recommend to the sensitive skin person. And also I won't recommend this to the people who have really active acne on their skin, because the particles are really harsh and really rough on your skin, and which felt so stinky, like it was constantly pinching my skin. The packet mentioned actually to use it on a damp skin, and for 3 to 5 minutes you have to massage it. The scrub should not be used more than 1 or 2 minutes on your skin. The second con is that it has plastic. We are thinking of a better world. We are thinking of more environmental friendly products and everything. Plastic is really a bad thing for the environment. Though the outer packaging is made of paper, but all the sachets, it is made out of plastic, which I don't support and which I don't like, because they just not make the environment a lot worse case than it is already. When you start understanding the bad effects of polythenes, plastics on your environment, you should immediately start taking steps of avoiding it. For that reason, I am also bringing a huge change in my menstrual hygiene. If you want to know, please click on the subscribe button, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos on that as well. And I would demand of more eco-friendly, environmental friendly packaging products from them. So the third con is, if I want to reuse it, I can't, because I can't store it, because it is only one time use. If they would provide much more reusable product. And now to sum it up, as a individual product, I definitely like it on my skin because it is compact, it is hygienic, it is affordable. I can definitely recommend to you guys a lot because it gives me an inner glow. But then again, the plastic thing is really bugging me. But yeah, other than that, the individual product, I really like that product except the scrub. So yeah, I'm going to recommend it to you. Please show some love and hit the like button and also the subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any queries and anything else to say about this video or anything else in general. Please let me know all about this and everything, and if you want me to try other variants of this product, or if you have tried other variants of this particular product, or if you have tried any other brand of facial kit, or have ever tried to do the facial kit at home wala thing, or have any other experience of going to parlor, having some incident happened there while doing a facial thing and everything, or maybe skin treatment, you can definitely share it all with me. I would love to know about you guys. I will meet you guys in my next video. Tab tak ke liye stay safe, stay healthy, and